Trading is all about taking risk, and if you don't take the risk, you will not reap the rewards. And that's why it's very, very important that you have a plan in place, that you have an edge that defines and that proves that you will have a winning streak. Therefore, you need to back test this plan, you need to forward test this plan, and you need to live trade the plan. It's not a gambling mindset. I gave a signal on a BTC short a couple of days ago. I told you that I'm entering BTC short based on this key level down here. We had a fair value gap and we had an order block. I said to you guys, once we strike this level, I'm taking a short and I'll keep my stop losses at around 116,500. Luckily, I'm still in the trade, but it's very likely that price is going to take me out because now the region that I'm expecting price to move towards is around the 118 to 120k region. The reason why I said that is because when I told you guys the entry that I'm taking, I already anticipated that there's a possibility price could come up. When price does come up, and if it does close above this break of market structure, it's likely going to continue going up to sweep other liquidity areas. We do have a slight discrepancy in the total market cap chart, because when we moved up in the total market cap chart, what we can see is we had a break of market structure, but we closed below it with a wick. So this gave me some form of conviction that price could likely come to the downside, therefore Bitcoin will come to the downside. However, the next day we got this candle, and now we're currently in this candle. We haven't swept this liquidity yet. There's a very likely chance that we all come and sweep this liquidity. My position is still open and I'm still letting the trade run because there's always a possibility that price can come back down. But I am much more convinced that price can come up to the regions down here. Going back to the BTC chart, if price does move down from here, I'm convinced that we're going to reach this region, at least bare minimum 108,000. So what I want to see right now is the way that this daily closes. If we close bearish or as in a doji, there's a possibility that this could be an evening star formation and price will move to the downside. Then we've created liquidity above down here. We've got liquidity above down here, which can be swept at a later date. Therefore, price will come back into the key regions, into this liquidity, and then strike that 118 to 120k. Once we get that 118 to 120k regions, then I'll be looking for the bigger move to the downside of 100k. So anywhere between this region is where I'm going to place a short to 100k. I'll keep you guys updated on any other trade setups that I take. So please can you like, share, subscribe, and comment on any other pairs that you want me to analyze.